So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really exciting video for you all, and this has been requested by a few people, but it's my current makeup wish list. So I thought I'd do one of these every month or so or something like that, I don't know, telling you my new makeup, or it's not really, these are not new things coming out, they're just things that this month I started really wanting, and might buy them, might not, but I've got a few for you today and I'm going to be inserting pictures. Also keep in mind, if I'm not acting like as, well actually I will be, but I'm really tired because to film this video I had to wake up at 5:30. It's currently 7:20 because I had to wake up really early to get ready so I could film this video because I haven't got a video for tonight, but I'm going to edit it out of school. I know. This is how I fit in my timetable. Also, I haven't even brushed my hair yet. Also, look at my face, it's really dry because I forgot to wash my Meredith's dry lotion off properly. Also, I'm wearing my school shirt, but I thought I'd just throw in a tweed blazer just to go with it. So let's just get started. Okay, so first thing I have is the Morphe Dare to Create palette. So this palette here is, I'm not actually a fan of Morphe palettes as a whole because a lot of the palettes, all the colours look the same besides like the bright palettes. But this palette here, I don't know what it is about it. There is a lot of the colours that I wouldn't use, but I just think the ones in the corner, like the oranges and the red on the right hand corner, are just absolutely stunning, honestly. I just would create some looks for this. The blues are nice, the greens are nice. I just think they put a lot of effort into this compared to their other palettes, and I'd definitely buy this over the Jaclyn Hill one. I don't want to buy the Jaclyn Hill one at all. A lot of people like got triggered when I said that in my last video. I was like, calm down, I just don't want a palette that's Jaclyn Hill. I mean, I love Jaclyn Hill, she's amazing, but I just don't want a palette. Anyway, this one is absolutely beautiful. I think it's a little bit more pricey than the other Morphe palettes, but I don't really care. But it's out of stock on the actual Morphe UK website, so I can't really get it yet. Also trying to save for Paris after that giveaway. Yeah, the next thing I would like is the Revolution Conceal and Define. This is like so popular right now. I've looked in my Superdrug store so many times. I looked at Tab Beauty's website, I need to see one, and it is out of stock all the damn time. I just really want this because it's not like, because it's like £4 and it's not like, oh, I don't have the money to spend on it, because I think I do, but it's just I literally cannot find it anywhere. This is meant to be amazing. So before I even mentioned that hole in my wall, no one mentioned about it. It was drilled there when the plumbers did it because our bathroom broke. But yeah, but the thing is about this, apparently it runs out really quickly, so it is cheap, but someone said it only lasted like 2 weeks, I think. I'm not sure if that was. It was one of them Facebook groups, I think. But yeah. And then number 3, I would really like the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, is it? The Universal Gloss Bomb, I'm not sure if that's what it's called exactly, but it's something like that. This is so popular right now, and I know you can get in Harvey Nichols, but I can never find Harvey Nichols in London, and I don't know why. I've gone and searched for it, I've used Google Maps, I can't find Harvey Nichols. I think I've been in there once, but I just can't find it again. So I think I'm going to wait until I go to Sephora in Paris or New York, depends which Sephora I want to buy it in. And this is just the most gorgeous colour ever. I love gloss. You won't catch me wearing a matte lip anymore, really, at all. Like, as an example right now. And even like at weekends, I never wear really a matte lip. It's quite rare I actually do now. I just love gloss. I think gloss is the way to go in this world. I think it is. Gloss just, it makes your face look so much more like, hello. Matte was a thing, but gloss will always be a thing. Everyone still kind of wore it, even though matte was like massive and big, but I think glosses are definitely coming back in. Like, I feel like brands need to create more glosses, I think, because I don't know, it's just a thing I love gloss. And number 4 is the Jeffree Star Purple Holographic Makeup Bag. Now this is quite expensive, but apparently it's quite big and you can fit a lot of things in it. And I know Jeffree Star very controversial, but I will give people second chances. He said some disgusting things in the past. Things, I say things, it's things, isn't it? In the past, but I've said things in the past that I really regret, and I would like people to give me a second chance. And well, I haven't said as bad things as he has, but you know what I mean. and so I just give him a second chance. And I've done and apologised for everything. So I don't know. I don't fully forgive him, but his products are good, you know. But this bag is honestly so gorgeous. I really like how it has like that extra bit at the front, and like it's pink on the, like the pink Jeffree Star sign and the pink star zip. Yeah, I'm not. And the gold star zip and pink. It's gold and pink. Shut up. Stop. I'm going to fall asleep in school today. I'm actually going to fall asleep. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is either 20 or 25, but either way, it's still quite pricey for a makeup bag, so I don't know if I'll be getting it anytime soon. But yeah. Next is the Kylie Cosmetics blush. Now, the Kylie Cosmetics blush, I have no idea which shade this is in, but the picture will be either there or there, because I don't know what shade it's called, but that's the shade I want. It is the most gorgeous pinkish colour ever. Kylie's products, I know they get a little bashed, but they are amazing, her products. The highlighter, oh my god. The gloss, oh my god. It's amazing. I just really, really want this blush because of, I don't know, I just think it'll be great. And this colour is so, so nice, like especially for pale skin. The colour range she has is brilliant. Like she put a lot of effort into her colour ranges. Well, not talking about the concealer shades. Oh no. No, there was like tons of concealer. I'm getting it confused with Tarte now. Oh no. Here I am. Okay, we'll stop Summer. But yeah, this is just like the nicest shade ever. And I just love the dripping effect. And I have it highlighter, but my highlighters like ruin the dripping effect because I dig so hard. But with a blush, you don't need to like dig it really hard, do you? So yeah. And the only thing about that, I have to pay customs, and I'm not prepared to pay £20 customs on top. And to get free shipping, I have to spend at least £60 or $60. And I don't know, I'm just not in the mood to spend that much on, and then 20 quid on top, so it'd be like an 80 quid plus order when I've got toothpaste around me. I like it, don't worry. Yeah, next is the Juvia's Place Douche palette. No, Douce or Douche, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm really sorry, I should have checked for this video. But this is the most gorgeous palette ever. I love Juvia's Place palettes. They're my favourite palette ever. I have 3 of their palettes. Okay, I'm just going to go through each shade individually. Okay, well if it lets me zoom into the shades, maybe that would help. No, it don't. Okay, that corally orange, that is such a unique colour. It's got pinky in it as well. That is gorgeous. I would use that all the time. The one next to it is like a it's like a creamy pale white shimmer. That is gorgeous. You don't actually get that many palettes. You think you would, but you don't. And then that black, obviously black just helps everything if you want to add like some depth to your look. So I mean, I wouldn't use it as much. And then that mint green, oh my god, mint green shimmer. Where do you find a bloody mint green shimmer? Nowhere, because they don't really exist that much. That is just beautiful. I can't explain it. I think I want the palette for the mint green shimmer, really, to be honest. But yeah, I think it's only 20, so that's quite good for a Juvia's Place palette, and for a palette anyway. And then that, oh my god, it's like a candy purple, candy pinky purple. Oh my god, like you just don't find colours like that. This is such a unique palette. I can't get this across to you at all. Then the one next to it has like, it's a bit like that other shimmer, the pale shimmer, but it has like a lilac-y pink tone to it, and it's a shimmer and it's beautiful. And then there's like a pale brown, a really pale skin colour kind of brown. It's like your skin colour but darker. Well, oh my god, you know what? I chose this palette would look absolutely gorgeous on dark skin. Well, I think that's what they aim them at anyway, but oh my god, I just realised this is going to pop. If you have dark skin, this is going to look so good on you. Go for it. Juvia's Place, they are honestly the best eyeshadows for dark skin people. They do amazing. I think they're amazing anyway. And then the one next to it, oh my god, have you ever seen such a dark shimmer so beautiful? Dark shimmers usually look really ugly, and this one has like black and white mixed specks in it, and it's just beautiful. And then one next to it is like an orangey brown toned like dark matte. But that palette to me is just amazing. And then I have another Juvia's Place palette, and this is the Zulu. So this is like a really bright palette, and I've been wanting to get this for ages and ages. So there is, I think, 3 shimmers and 6 mattes. Yum, right? There's a matte bright orange, a matte yellow, and that matte yellow, oh my god. I have the 35B. Saffron Morphs 45O. If you know what I'm talking about, South, you know. And there's like a darkish burgundy brownie tone at the end. There's a blue, oh my god, that blue, I've never seen anything like it before. Then there's that shimmer green, oh my god, like I said, there's nothing like that before. That blue shimmer I've got in quite a few of my palettes, but still, it doesn't matter because it's beautiful. And then that shade, I don't really want to explain it as, but it is beautiful. Another bright, it's like a more reddy tone than the first orange. And then there's a dark purple, and that is, ooh, it's beautiful. Okay, and second to last is the Soph Does Nails Soph Times Revolution highlighter palette. So I have the eyeshadow palette, and it's really good for a $9.99, and I think this is $12.99. But I was penning it off for a while because I was thinking, you know what, I don't know, like I really don't know. But my best friend, one of my best friends, Chloe, she is, if I remember, Chloe, I'll put your Instagram on the screen. She is absolutely beautiful. Her makeup skills. Okay, she whispers this to me, but I genuinely want her makeup skills. She is so talented. And her highlight, okay, we want FaceTime. Her highlight, popping. This is a highlight palette she used. And oh my god, you can even look on her Instagram. Oh my god, this highlight is absolutely brilliant. Well, I haven't tried it, but she has, and it just looks amazing on her. And the colours are so nice, and I think I'd use most of them. But it's just so good and such a good price, I think. And it, oh my god, I just can't go over it. It's so, so, so beautiful. My last thing I have to show you is another eyeshadow palette, and this is the eyeshadow palette on the top of my list. It is the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. So when someone asks me, what do you want, that is the palette that comes to my mind. Okay, no matter what everyone says, this palette is so unique. Well, besides Lime Crime Venus, they kind of copied it, but that's fine. This is so unique. This man has put so much time and effort into this palette. Like, sorry, I always lose my voice in the mornings. The packaging, let's just start. Oh my god, like, it's like a briefcase. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. And it's meant to be huge as well. Oh my god, I just can't. It's so beautiful. And like how all the stars in most of the shades, but then on some of them there's like a the medical sign, and there's like the injection for prick, like a needle. Oh my god, it's just the effort and the art is put into this. There's even a bright white shade. You never really find a bright white shade in a palette, do you? No. Like, the top row, besides that bright gold, is a bit boring. But other than that, all the other rows, oh my god. Like, there's an actual grey. You don't find a grey in a palette, a bright pink. I'm loving it. The red, there's a bright red. And he was really honest about this palette. I was surprised, because he's usually the kind of man, if there's like something wrong with the palette, he won't mention it. But he did say that the reds will stain your eyes. And I think that is amazing of him to be honest about that, because I would usually think he's the kind of person to not mention it and be like, oh, because I just want to sell it in case people don't want to buy it because of that reason. He was honest. He said that he does stain your eyes because of the thing they used in the red. Because this is vegan, this palette, I think it is. I think this is what he said. And you need carmine to make a really good red without it staining your eyes. And obviously he couldn't use carmine because he's cruelty free and vegan. And I think that's right, I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But all these shades are so gorgeous, especially that gold one and that pink and that bright red and that purple and that grey and that white. I'm actually in love. Okay, so that is it for my current makeup wish list, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Sorry if I'm looking down at my iPad too much, but I can't really help it because I wanted to look at things. And I am going to start doing a shout out of the day, but like I can't right now because I didn't get it ready. But someone recommended it, but I'll do her shout. The one who recommended it, comment down below your Instagram so I can find you, because I get so many DMs I can't really look through, and I'll give you a shout out next one, and then I'll do like a shout out every week. But yeah, if you watch this video right to the end, comment down below what is your top thing on your makeup list currently. It can be drugstore, high end, or like just your top thing, and comment the emoji, comment the shopping bag emoji. Okay, yeah, I love you all so much. Bye.